Hey artists, welcome back to another Mr. White's art tutorial. Today we are checking out how we can use the value scales that we've already made, the contour drawing for our grids, and the source photo, and we're going to be identifying what value goes where so we know how to shade the drawing in. Let's go! So I'm going to start by having my value scale out along with the photo and my drawing. I'm going to start by looking at the big objects in my drawing and trying to match those up with a value. Generally, it's useful to start from the top left and work toward the bottom right. That is, if you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, you probably want to start from the top right and work toward the bottom left. Now, here I am pointing out where different values are. I already identified that the arrow, or that sort of triangle thing in the top, is about a 4 in my value scale. It looks like the background, the space around the lines and shapes, is about an 8. Now, as I'm looking at the inside of the actual head, I've already drawn out some lines that show where different value chunks or areas are. So the lightest spot, I would say, is probably a 2. I've got some areas around that make up a 3. I'm trying to notice where the contours were on the photo. I have already drawn those in the last step. And I can see that here I am pointing out where each of those values is on the photograph. So that bottom section looks like it wants to be a 5 or even a 6. I went in and I wrote the number for all of these, and here I'm just starting to shade that in. We're not going to spend a lot of time on that right now.